The tools we will need are measuring cups, measuring spoons, a whisk, a spatula, and a bowl.
We need flour, chocolate chips, sugar, butter, salt, milk, and vanilla extract.
The second step is to heat all of the flour for 1 minute and stir every 15 seconds.
The next step is to put 3/4 cup of sugar, white or brown, and 1/2 cup of butter and mix until creamy. Half a cup of butter is just 1 stick of butter.
It's time to beat in a teaspoon vanilla extract and half a teaspoon salt to the mixture. Now it's time to add in 1 cup of flour and mix until a crumbly dough forms.
The fifth step is to add 1 cup of milk and stir until combined. And you can also add more flour if needed.
The final step is to go ahead and mix in your chocolate chips.
That's really good, actually. Good.